Okay, so today we are going to start with exercise 1.3. In these questions, we have question number 1. Add the following rational numbers. Number 1, 5 upon 8 plus 3 upon minus 10. So what we are supposed to do, we are going to see that the negative sign goes in the numerator. So it becomes 5 upon 8 plus minus 3 upon 10. LCM of 8 and 10 will be 40. Okay, so I have to multiply 5 over here, and here I have to multiply 4 over here. So this becomes 15 upon 40 minus plus minus minus 12 upon 40. So the final answer will be dash. The final answer will be dash. 3 upon 40. Let us come down to the second one. Question 1 में second one, minus 3 upon 10 and 7 upon minus 15. So the LCM of 10 and 15 will be 30. Here we have minus 3 upon 10 plus minus 7 upon 15, because negative sign goes up. To get 30 over here, we multiply 3. To get 30 over here, we will multiply 2. So this becomes minus 9 upon 30 plus minus 14 upon 30. Minus 9 minus 14 gives you minus 23 upon 30. This will be your answer. Please write it down. Please write it down. Let us come down to the third question. Question number 3. Question number 3. Question number 3 says that 4 plus 5 upon 6. Here we have 1. So LCM of 1 and 6 is equal to 6. Okay. So what we are supposed to do? Here to get 6, we multiply 6. And here we multiply 1. 4 6 are 24 plus 5 upon 6. The answer will be 29 upon 6. This will be your answer. I want everyone to write it down. Next we have question number 4. Fourth one, 15 upon minus 7 plus 8 upon 3. So what we are supposed to do in this type of sums? The negative sign goes up, so it becomes minus 15 upon 7 plus 8 upon 3. LCM of 7 and 3. LCM of 7 and 3 is 21. We shall multiply 3 over here, and here we shall multiply 7. So this becomes minus 45 upon 21 plus 8 sevens are 56 upon 21. Put your answers in the chat box. I want everyone to put the answers in the chat box. Okay. Let us come down to the next question. Question number 2. Question number 2. Subtract. Subtract 8 upon 7 from, 8 upon 3 from 13 upon 7. So whenever in this type of rational number 13 upon 7 is written after the word from. So 13 upon 7 will come over here. यहाँ पे 9 माइनस की साइन 8 upon 3. Same way LCM of 7 and 3 will be 21. मुझे यहाँ पे 21 लाना है मल्टीप्लाई बाई 3. यहाँ पे 7 लाना है मल्टीप्लाई बाई 7. 13 into 3 is how much? 39 upon 21. Here it will be minus 56. 56 upon 21. So put your final answers. Answer will be in the negative. Minus dash upon 21. Put your answers in the chat box. This will be your answer. 39 minus 56 gives you how much? Let us come down to the second question. Question number 2. Here we have minus 4 upon 13 from 6 upon minus 7. So here in this kind of question, minus 6 upon 7 minus 4 upon 13. So here there are two negative sign, it becomes addition. But करना क्या है वो देखते हैं. पहले LCM लेंगे. LCM of 7 and 13 will be 91. यहाँ पे मुझे 13 मल्टीप्लाई करना है और यहाँ पे मुझे 7 मल्टीप्लाई करना है. -6 into 13. is equal to minus 78 upon 21 plus 28 upon 21. Sorry, 91. Put your answers in the chat box. Minus 78 plus 28. Put your answers in the chat box. Minus 78 plus 28. करना माइनस है, साइन ऑफ द बिगर नंबर दैट इज नेगेटिव, आंसर नेगेटिव में ही आएगा. Yes, the answer is minus 50 upon 91. Very good. Let us come down to the third question. Eleven upon 6 from -2/9. फ्रॉम के बाद वाला जो नंबर होगा वो आगे आएगा. -2/9 minus 11/6. LCM of 9 and 6 is equal to 18. मुझे यहाँ पे 2 मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा और यहाँ पे भी 2 मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. यहाँ पे 3, यहाँ पे 3. This will be -4/18 minus 33/18, which will be equal to -37/18. This will be your answer. Please write it down. इसमें फोर्थ वाला -7/10 from 2/5. So what we are supposed to do in this type of question, 2/5 comes in the front, minus -7/10. LCM of 5 and 10 is equal to 10. तो मुझे यहाँ पे 2 मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. This will be 4/10 minus minus plus 7/10. Answer will be 11/10. This will be your answer. Please write it down. Come down to main question number 3, that is simplify. Very important question. 2 or 3 marks question can be asked from these types. Question number 3, simplify. First one, 5/6 minus 3/8 plus 7/12. So what we are supposed to do, we have to take the LCM. 6, 8 और 12 का LCM लेंगे. Can anyone put in the chat box what will be the LCM? 6, 8 और 12 का LCM कितना हो जाएगा? Yes. Very good. Very good. The LCM will be 24. Okay. So what I do? What do I have to multiply over here? Here I multiply 4. Here I multiply 3. and here I multiply 2. This becomes 5 fours are 20 minus 9 plus 14 upon 24. चलो बताओ 20 minus 9. Yes, exactly. 11. 11 plus 14. 25 upon 24. This will be your answer. Please write it down. I want everyone to write it down quick. The second one, let us do the second one. Question 3 में second one. 11 upon 80, 11 upon minus 18 minus 5 upon 16 plus 4 upon 9. अच्छा, तो हम क्या करेंगे? सबसे पहले अरेंज करेंगे इसको. लेट अस डू द अरेंजमेंट. minus 11 upon 18 minus 5 upon 16 plus 4 upon 9. So what we are supposed to do? LCM of 18, 16 and 9. Can you tell me what will be the LCM? Please put your answers in the chat box. What will be the LCM of 18, 16 and 9? Exactly. The LCM will be 144. यहाँ पे मैं क्या लिखूं? 144. Okay. So this will be the LCM. 18 के साथ मुझे क्या मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा? Yes. Very good. Everyone has to put the answers in the chat box. What do I need to multiply with 18 so that I get 144? Everyone will put the answer in the chat box. Yes, I have to multiply 8. Here also I have to multiply 8. Here I have to multiply 9. And here I have to multiply 16. Okay. So let us begin. 11 into 8 becomes minus 88 minus 45 plus 64 upon 144. Put your final answer in the chat box quick. Everyone, please put your final answers in the chat box. Okay. Let us start with the next question. Question number 3. It says that 2 plus minus 2 upon 3 plus minus 4 upon 5. यहाँ पे तो कुछ नहीं है तो 1 आएगा. LCM of 3, 5 will be 15. तो मुझे 15 यहाँ पे लाना है. सॉरी, यहाँ पे 15 लाना है, यहाँ पे भी 15 लाना है और यहाँ पे भी 15 लाना है. ओके. तो मुझे क्या मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा? 15. तो दिस विल बिकम 30. यहाँ पे 5, यहाँ पे भी 5. दिस विल बिकम -10. यहाँ पे 3, यहाँ पे भी 3, दिस विल बिकम -12। बीच में प्लस की साइन है तो रखने की जरूरत नहीं है क्योंकि माइनस ऑलरेडी हो गया है। ओके, 30 minus 10, 20, 20 minus 12, 8. Final answer will be 8 upon 15. This will be your answer. Please write it down and solve it quick.